It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
I'll tell you.
When I see you again.
Good morning, Foresters. It's Friday, May 24th. It is day 4. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and remain standing for the alma mater. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
On this day in history, in 1899, the first auto repair shops opened in Boston.
Students, remember to please remove all hats and hoods upon arrival to school. Thank you.
Except for me and Matt, we can wear hats all we want.
That's right, they're patriotic.
That's right. And the American Red Cross blood drive, scheduled for May 30th, will follow the same scheduled time slots as the earlier blood drive that was canceled due to inclement weather. See Kendrick Harwan if you need to change your time. All 16-year-olds who would like to donate need a new parental permission slip, as the previous permission slip was only valid for 30 days.
Now, all blood donors, to verify donations to the American Red Cross, please log in and open an account on the Blood Donor American Red Cross app and screenshot your donations and email them to Mrs. Moorhan. Without verification, you cannot be eligible for the Red Cord or scholarship.
It's time for Richie with the local forecast. How's it looking?
There I am. Okay, good Friday morning, everybody. Taking a look at the live radar, today will be cloudy and partly sunny with cool, fresh, and breezy highs in the 60s. Tomorrow will be partly sunny and warm with highs well into the 70s. Showers and thunderstorms later in the day and tonight. For Sunday, expect clouds, sun, and scattered showers and thunderstorms. More humid with highs in the 70s to near 80s. And for Memorial Day, which all of us are off, yay, partly sunny and dry with fresh highs in the mid-70s. Everybody remember to thank those veterans like Mr. McCormick. But that's all for now. I know I'm not Keanu. I'm sorry, but back to you guys.
Thank you. I think you did better than Keanu.
I think so.
Attention all students. Student Council is once again bringing back the Spirit Week Talent Show for all of our FCR stars to show off their talents. This event will be held Thursday, May 30th in the morning, and will give all grades the opportunity to try to earn additional Spirit Week points.
It's Friday, so that means it's time for famous Forester shoutouts. Shout out to Alyssa Cahoon for winning the Miss Poppy American Legion contest.
Shout out to Kimmy Graham for winning the Andrew Brown Freedom Isn't Free essay contest.
Shout out to Riley Bossip, Gabby Rizdick, DJ Heath, and Justin Pecco for being the 8th grade American Legion medal winners.
Shout out to Hannah Slivkanich for winning first place in the American Legion essay about homeless veterans, and for Grace Ursich for being the runner-up.
Shout out to Laz Love, this year's prom king, and Jasmine Stewart for being this year's prom queen.
Shout out to the advanced public speaking classes for their awesome job with the 6th grade move-up day.
Shout out to Race Healy for working hard to turn things around.
Sign-up sheets for the talent show are available in Mr. Monahan's or Miss Weiss's room. The deadline to submit a sign-up sheet is Tuesday, May 28th.
Attention Junior Envirothon members. Tuesday is a mandatory meeting during 9th period in Mrs. Zvan's classroom. You must attend this meeting.
The softball team will be excused today at 2:45 for the playoff game against Old Forge. Good luck, Lady Foresters.
Today for lunch is cheese sticks with sauce, garden salad with dressing, mixed peas and carrots, apple slices, and pineapple chunks.
Oh, Matt, you better be careful, buddy.
Thank you. I have an EpiPen to inject.
Okay, perfect. Miss Tallarico's last song pick as DJ is Jenny from the Block by J-Lo, which was released in 2002, the year she graduated from here.
Just a reminder that today is our Oh my goodness, I butchered this.
It's all right, Matt. Just slow down and just continue.
Oh, thank you.
Sorry.
Today is our Memorial Day program. If you see a veteran, be sure to thank him or her for their service to our country, and that includes Mr. Earl, Mr. McCormick, and Mr. Griffin. Thank you, Mr. McCormick.
The quote of the day for today is, "I have long believed that sacrifice is the pinnacle of patriotism."
Make it a fantastic Friday, Forest City.
Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, and remember, thank a veteran.
But before we go, here's an announcement from Student Council President Katie Nebzadowski.
Good morning, Foresters. Next week is Spirit Week. Tuesday is going to be Meme Day. Wednesday is going to be City versus Country Day. Thursday is Partner or Group Day, and Friday is Spirit Games. For Spirit Games, the 7th grade color is hot pink, 8th grade is dark blue, 9th grade is light blue, 10th grade is light purple, 11th grade is white, and seniors are black. Penny Wars are going to be going on all week and are a great way to earn points for your grade. Let's show our school spirit next week, Foresters.